In this video you will see how to add background in LibreOffice Impress. It's very easy. Click inside the slide and then right click. You will see here the option of slide properties. After clicking on this option, you will see here one tab, background. You need to click on the background, and if you select the none, that means no background. And if you select color, you will be able to select different colors. For example, I am selecting this color, and after clicking on the OK, as you can see, the background color is applied. There are multiple options as well. You can also use the gradient option. So if you go to the gradient, here you will see different color gradients. So you can select one of the gradient, and then you can also change the type of gradient. For example, radial, like this. You can play around with these options, and after clicking on OK, the gradient will be applied. You can also make use of image. If you have certain image, you can select the images that are available here, or you can also select your own image that is on your computer. Just click on add import, select the image and then click on open. After opening, you will see the image. Just click on it and then click on OK. If you go to the pattern option, you will see here different patterns. If you are interested in pattern field, you can select any one of the pattern. For example, we will select this one, and you can select the color of the pattern, for example blue, and maybe some other color. So you can see the preview and then click on OK, and that pattern will be added. You can go to hatch and select the hatch patterns, play around with some colors here and then click on OK to add the hatch to the slide. In this way you can add background in LibreOffice Impress. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos shown on screen if you want to learn LibreOffice Impress quickly. See you again in the next one.